First of all, to get some insights into what's going on in the local authority arena and what their perception of transport technology is and their perception of how they can procure it and deploy it. Also to meet some people. The range of people at this event has been excellent. The seniority, the kind of number of decision makers and influence is spot on. But above all, I thought the format of having short, very impactful statements from a number of key speakers to set the scene and get the day moving was absolutely perfect. Connected and autonomous vehicles is my big thing, and in particular trying to see where is connected and autonomous vehicle testing and development taking place, and how can we make sure that all those parts in the UK can be plugged together to make a whole which represents effectively a very unique country-wide testbed that we can use to generate inward investment. It's everything. It's physical, it's virtual, it's saying what's existing and how can that be used effectively to make the transition to our mobile driverless nirvana, but also how can we deploy the public realm, so public sector roads, the councils, local authorities, and control environments like the test facilities in Millbrook, Myra, TRL and so on. And of course the third is the virtual. So how can simulation and analysis be used to complement those physical tests? My smaller hat, but I wear many hats, is as chair of the Transport Technology Forum, which is an organisation which has been set up, funded by the Department of Transport and Innovate UK, and increasingly by the private sector, to look at their combined interests, so bring them together as a community, not just private, not just public, but both together, recognising that they do have very intimate relationships. Procurement is underperforming for us as a country. We don't get the economic benefit or the social benefit that we should do from procurement. But on the other side, the supply chain is not necessarily as agile, as integrated, as collaborative as it could be, to its own benefit ultimately, in order to respond to the needs of the public sector. So the Transport Technology Forum is bringing them together. It is organising events like the local authority user groups, contributing to events like this to communicate so that the advanced local authorities, for example, like York, are not the sole movers, they're just the leaders, and others are assisted in following.